Now.
I'm gonna throw up.
Becca, come on!
Really bad?
Bad?
I can't eat it. I can't eat this.
Come on, Becca.
No, dude, I can't do it.
Rob, come on, eat your ass.
Cheers, Becca. It's like Fear Factor. Come on. It's like Fear Factor. Go.
It's like Fear Factor. Okay.
Ow! Come on, Becca!
Is it really bad? No. Good. It is not. Did you eat the whole thing?
Oh, I ate it. Tasting bad. Come on, Becca.
No. Sorry. I ate scorpion, dude.
No!
Do you like
Yeah, but
Becca
I don't
loves
think this
peanut
is peanut butter.
It is.
It's close to
It is.
I don't like it.
Dude, I can't do this. I ate scorpion.
Oh my god, I smell it.
It tastes like peanut butter. Yeah, try.
Get it back.
If you don't like it, just try.
It's a
fried
silkworm.
Fried silkworm.
Would you like to try it?
No.
Okay, me neither.
Go ahead, Becca, come on.
It does taste like peanut butter.
Why, thank you.
It does. Yeah,
It tastes like peanut butter.
I ate it. If you don't like it,
Ow, Becca!
Fear Factor.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, we're troopers. And you won't even put it in her mouth.
Fuck that, I ain't putting anything in my mouth.
Just let me, I need to water by my hands. I'm gonna throw up.
Angie, do you want this?
No, I don't want this.